So, today I'm going to be doing some work on this slash hook. As you can see, I've already taken some surface rust off. It's much worse up here with the pitting and surface rust as well. But the closer we get down to the handle, I cleaned up more. So I need to put some here, but anyway. Today's video is going to be just about fabricating a new handle for it. As you can see, it's broken and it has been destroyed by woodworm. So I'm going to be working on it only using hand tools. Now the exception is not everyone has one of these. Like, so if you're using electric drill, it doesn't make a difference. But I'm using that. Chisels and a jap saw. Now obviously you don't need a jap saw, I just like them. You can just use a normal saw, but I won't even really need that much. So yeah, I'm going to start working on it now. So first off, I'm going to cut down the handle, because I'm going to cut it off and then use a drill and some other tools to just get all that shit out of it, so I can, like, how would I say, get a rough guess of how much I need to pare down or shave off of what I'll be using as the handle. As you can see, it made fucking piss easy work of the handle because it has been destroyed by this woodworm. Now there's not much there where I cut, but still, if I were to try and use this with that woodworm fucking destroyed handle, it'll probably crumble in my hands. So yeah, fuck that away or throw it into the bucket for the fire or something, I don't know. Now, next what we'll be doing is drilling this out. So I'm going to get the largest wood bit I have. Jesus. And I'll put it into this hand drill. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's gonna take way too long, so I'm just gonna fucking bait it out with a chisel. Now, if you have a look here, you can see how that wood is pretty much like fucking powder. A reoccurring theme for here anyway will be the damage that woodworm does. One thing I'm going to have to point out is this little band here. Now this was a new axe, or well, not an axe, but if this was a new slash hook and the handle just broke, normally you just bait that off, this band, but it's fairly rusted in, so unless I can somehow get it off, it's probably going to have to stay on it. Finally, after fucking ages, the last bit is gone. So yeah, you might notice there's that little bolt or whatever it is, cross pin I think you'd call it. I'll be honest, I've no fucking idea what I'm going to do with that, but sure, look, we'll see. At least now it's all out. Right, so I'll be honest, I'm not going to try and record. I'm going to record as little of this as possible because it only adds extra time to the video and my upload speed is shite. So I'm not going to just add extra footage of me just sanding this down. You've seen in the previous video how I cleaned it up. So yeah, I'm going to clean this up and then we're going to move on to the handle. So now it's relatively cleaned up. I'll probably give it a little bit of steel wool. But yeah, no, there is still rust on a few parts, but to be honest, I'm not fucked actually properly like deep cleaning it, because I mainly just clean this up for actual utilitarian purposes, like actually get use out of so removing surface rust and that sort of shite and preventing even further rusting is what I'm trying to do. So yeah, I'll give it a quick go with some steel wool, and then I'll get started on the handle. The handle is being made out of some scrap wood that was used for making the decking out the back of the house, and it should make a good fit, or at least give it a nice bit of length anyway. So what I'll be doing pretty much is, if I get into frame, is shaving down these sides and just trying to fit it in here and get a nice snug fit. So yeah, Jesus, look at that now. Do it like this for now, and once it's fairly fitted in there, I'm gonna plane down the edges and make it lovely. So yeah, it's kind of fitted in. Does it look fucking horrible? Yes. But does it work? I will find out.